How to get your Roblox user ID on mobile. So if you want to get your Roblox user ID on your mobile, then first of all, you have to open up a browser. You can't do that on your app. So first open up your browser. I'll be here with Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, now you can simply go for the search bar and then search for roblox.com. And after searching here, you will have two options on the bottom of your screen. You can simply go for continue in browser, and after logging your account on your browser, now you can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper right. And after tapping on your profile, now you can simply tap on the search bar, which is on the upper side. And after tapping on that, here on the bottom right, you will have a pencil shaped icon. Simply tap on that pencil shaped icon, and then you can have this number, which is right beside the user. So you will have this number. You can simply copy this number. So that's it. This number is your user ID on your Roblox, and after copying that, you can simply paste it wherever you want. So that's it. That's how you find your user ID on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.